Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jo and my feeling is that every family has its own recipe of banana bread. Well, I'm willing to share my recipe with you so you can test it and compare it to other recipes. What I use for this recipe are the following: 2 eggs, I separate the white from the yolk, 1 banana, 200 milliliters of milk, 60 grams of melted butter, 150 grams of flour, 50 grams of oatmeal flakes, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half of a teaspoon of bio baking powder. First, I will mix the white eggs until I get a really hard foam. When I'm done with the white egg, I'll continue with the yolk. I'll mix it together with the milk, the butter, and the banana, which I will smash. Then what I'm going to do is add the white egg to the batter and continue mixing. Now, one by one, I will add the dry ingredients. I'll start with the bio baking powder and the cinnamon, and I will mix them. After that, I add the oatmeal flakes and the flour. When everything is well mixed, I will put the batter in the tray and I will put it in the preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees. All done here. Let's take the banana bread out of the oven. Oh, but the smell! Guys, you really need to try this recipe. It's just perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is take the banana bread out of the tray and I will enjoy it together with my family. I invite you to try this recipe yourself, get back to me with your feedback, and also subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Take care, bye!